This is a 2017 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic Limited. A fantastic touring bike. The color of this Ultra Limited is vivid black with gray pinstriping. The bike is in excellent condition. There's no chips, no scratches. Paint's in excellent condition. The seat's in like new condition. The mileage is low. It has only 6,948 miles on the odometer. The bike has a fresh service. Being the limited model, it has the painted inner fairing, the 6.5-inch boom stereo system. It has GPS navigation, AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth. You can link your phone or your iPod with your music into the system through the Bluetooth, or put your phone or iPod in a secret compartment and plug it into the system. It has the intercom for communication with your passenger, 6-gallon tank, cruise control, has everything you need for a nice long distance road trip. It's powered by the Milwaukee 807 cubic inch engine, so it has plenty of horsepower and torque to haul you and your passenger and all your gear. ABS brakes, smart security system with the key and key fob. It has the redesigned saddlebags with the one-touch latches. Makes them very easy to open and close. The single latch for the tour pack with the upgraded hinges. Nice chrome Harley luggage rack for extra gear. These Ultra Limiteds make just excellent touring bikes. Comfort, power, safety, covers all the bases. Of course, it has cruise control, which comes in very handy for a long trip. Heated grips, which would be real nice on a day like this. Being a Rushmore bike, it does have the redesigned Batwing Fairing. It has the vent in the front of it to reduce buffeting on the rider and the passenger. LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light. Gives you great visibility at night and also helps people see you coming. It also has LED lights on the back of the tour pack, so you have great visibility from the rear. market for a new touring bike, take a good look at this 2017 Ultra Limited. It is in stock form, it's in showroom condition, it's ready for your next road trip. Save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP, freight charges, setup charges, dock fees, dealer fees, all the mystery fees that seem to get added on to a new bike purchase. Use that money you saved to cover your accessories that you'd like to add to this bike or your next road trip. For information on how to put this beautiful 2017 Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.